What's going on, guys? It's Anthony, and on behalf of CryptoVerse, where we talk about crypto and all things DeFi related, just want to say thank you to all 574 subscribers. We are already halfway past our goal of 1,000 subscribers. If at any point in the video you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And in today's video, we are going to be deep diving into Alchemy Pay. As you can see, we have a lot of information to discuss, ranging from newly announced partnerships, upcoming products, and also discussing potential league partnerships in the Middle East. If you want to stay updated on the latest news, upcoming videos, price alerts, when we buy and sell, follow me. My handle on Twitter is CryptoVerse. And don't forget to follow my partner, CryptoVerse Ty. And special shout out to a member on Twitter. He goes by Forks Philosophy. He helped with bringing the latest news that is provided in this video. Alright, so why Alchemy Pay? Alchemy Pay is the world's first hybrid crypto and fiat payment gateway. Currently, it's in 65 countries and regions, and they're accepting 300 fiat and crypto payment channels. And you could see here that they currently launched in the Europe, Middle East, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Philippines, Cambodia, and Singapore, and to be launching in Australia, Thailand, North America, Korea, and Japan. And you can see that we have already partnered with Shopify, which has over 120 billion market cap, and it supports over 1 million companies operating in 175 countries. We also partnered with Arcadia. It's a marketplace as a service, and it has merchants across 5,000 cities and 130 countries around the world. And we also partnered with QFPay, Asia's leading payment tech provider with more than 1.2 million merchants in 13 countries around the world. And we also partnered with Binance, CeeLo, and PriceRite. The great thing about Alchemy Pay is that you could pay through app, POS, online, or with cards. And with Alchemy Pay, there is very minimal fees. Also, the great thing about Alchemy, no matter your customer's payment method or currency, we will settle with you and your preferred local currency to minimize your loss if the coin value goes down. So if someone's paying in Bitcoin and Bitcoin's at a high price right now, and you don't want to keep your Bitcoin, they'll pay you in the dollar amount that they sent you in Bitcoin at that time. So if they sent you $20, you'll get $20 in your currency. You don't have to get it in Bitcoin, but you can if you want. So beyond the competitive transaction fees, our payment protocol rewards you and your customers with ACH tokens for every crypto transaction. It's been about 2 weeks since the Blockchain Infrastructure Alliance has been announced. They announced it at the dinner October 28th. The Blockchain Infrastructure Alliance was hosted by Alchemy Pay alongside co-hosts Polygon Network, Near Protocol, Draper Dragon, and BitStore. The event was graced by the presence of over 100 celebrities and the leaders of industries including Tencent, Alipay, MasterCard, Binance, Hubai, OKExchange, Polygon, Near, and Neo, and many others. Our mission is to go beyond just bringing together the intellects and advocates of the space. We provide funds and resources for building viable enterprises, profit or non-profit, with a common goal to advance cryptocurrency functionality and realize the solution blockchain offers for a sustainable world. As you could see here, these are the founding members of the BIA, Polygon Network, Neo, Alchemy Pay, Near, and Conflux. So what does the Alliance offer? It offers brand exposure. Members are invited to speak with industry key opinion leaders. Also pulling the resources together, access the BIA network for technical, legal, and academic support. Investments, tap into the BIA ecosystem fund for investment opportunities or fundraise needs. And priority access, receive pre-launch invites to special programs and events. So as you can see, they have an ecosystem and it has a fund, and it says, with the Blockchain Infrastructure Alliance owns ecosystem funds, members can choose to fund other blockchain and crypto projects. The Alliance has evolved to develop revenue-generating strategic advisory services and is a highly regarded innovator with proven technological and commercial expertise and development capabilities in the blockchain and crypto space. Members will have the opportunity to support and provide resources in branding and marketing services and smart contract developments for their investments. giving it access to the best-in-class tech experts, a strong network, and a profound industry profile of investor relations. And so this is the big takeaway. BIA runs a partnership program for individuals and organizations with synergistic experience, resources, and capital to jointly partner or lead incubated projects in return for equity/token rights and other benefits, depending on contribution size and project maturity. Not long after that BIA dinner, on November 8th, Polygon, an Ethereum scaling platform onboarding millions to Web3, announces the addition of convenient and flexible fiat payment on-ramps for the Polygon network, thanks to a new partnership with Alchemy Pay. Now, this was released on November 8th, just 2 days ago, or 3 days ago, depending when you watch this video. Polygon's full-stack scaling solution is leading the way in reducing congestion on the Ethereum main chain. As you guys know, Ethereum's gas fees are skyrocketing right now, and people are trying to find an alternative solution to paying a high gas fee. They're switching to other platforms. In September, the number of daily active users on Polygon regularly surpassed those on Ethereum. Rather than being a competitor to Ethereum, however, Polygon facilitates the use of platforms on the Ethereum network. So Polygon is actually helping with Ethereum's congestion right now. More than 4,000 hosted applications within Polygon's DeFi ecosystem will now be able to enact transactions on their DeFi apps via direct fiat on-ramps to traditional financial payment platforms like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and multiple local payment channels around the world. Alchemy Pay currently handles 5 million daily transactions, primarily from Asia and Europe. A greater volume of US transactions is expected after Shopify completes integration with Polygon by the end of 2021. Alchemy Pay hosted an event at the Epic Center on November 6th. At that event, they announced that they have a partnership with a conglomerate in the Middle East, and that conglomerate owns shopping malls, premium hotel chains, restaurants, and cinemas. So it's not just one shopping mall or one hotel or one restaurant, it's going to be multiple. And also that partnership entails crypto payments and investment/DeFi finance. There's a triangle shaped hotel right here and a long shaped hotel in the background. And after doing some research, we have found that image, with further research, we have found that image is also on the Wafi group. And as you could see, we got that same pyramid shaped hotel right here with that big long hotel in the background, and they offer hotels between luxurious elegance and affordable downtime with something in between, so they got a little bit for everyone. And the Wafi group also has over 40 restaurants across Dubai, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, and the United Kingdom, directly owned and operated outlets to third-party managed outlets and franchises. Also, a little bit of speculation over here. As you can see over here, Emar and Nord Bank are in Alchemy Pay's ecosystem, and we're trying to figure out who is that big Middle East conglomerate. So we have a couple ideas. It could be that Wafi group that I discussed, or it could be Emar Properties. If you look up on Google who owns Dubai Mall, you get Emar Properties. And huge shout out to Forks Philosophy for providing me with this information. As you can see, Visa partners with Emar to facilitate cashless property transactions. And what does that mean? This basically allows the customers to purchase property by using their Visa debit and credit cards. So this Dubai Mall, which includes over 1,200 plus stores, it is the second largest mall in the world after the Iran Mall. In 2011, it was the most visited building on the planet, attracting over 54 million visitors per year. Alchemy Pay is planning to roll out a crypto-linked virtual card that is accepted on the Visa and MasterCard payment networks. By end of year or beginning of next year, there will only be 36 limited edition NFT-linked cards from world-renowned artists across the world. First artist announced was Ting Song, biggest number of NFT sales in China. In order to receive a card, you must stake 360,000 ACH coins. This creates a lot of holders and also the possibility for credit lending due to the staking of your coins. In order to get back your staked coins, you need to terminate your card. These cards can be linked to Google Pay and PayPal digital wallets and make payments across the MasterCard and Visa networks, as well as popular e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. Now, Emar has strong recurring revenue, generating over 380,000 square meters of lease revenue, generating assets, and 21 hotels and resorts with 4,700 on average rooms, includes owned as well as managed hotels. Alright, so this was pulled straight from Alchemy Pay's white paper. Ant Credit Pay of the crypto world. Alchemy creates a decentralized and secure version of Ant's financials, Ant Credit Pay. Built upon its payment infrastructure, a borrower can apply for a loan based on his credit score on the platform and ACH holdings to obtain different amounts of credit at interest-free periods. Additionally, when users use cryptocurrency to pay, they may receive credit limits and enjoy the convenient consume first, pay later shopping experience. This consumer credit model will be supported by Alchemy in a wide range of scenarios. Merchants, consumers, and partners can also carry out mortgage financing business through smart contracts, depending on their digital asset holdings. Big data business. Alchemy conducts big data analysis on collected payment data. The analyzed and processed data can be exchanged with credit reporting agencies, financial institutions, and consulting companies to mutually confirm the validness of data and model orientation or monetized. So notice how I say Ant Financial, Ant Credit Pay, built upon its payment infrastructure. What is Ant Financial? Well, as you can see, accepting the future of payments, and this is Alchemy Pay's screenshot from their website. We could see that it has the Alipay logo. Alipay is a third-party mobile and online payment platform established in China in February 2004 by the Alibaba Group and its founder Jack Ma. In 2015, Alipay moved its headquarters to Shanghai, although its parent company Ant Financial. So like I said, Ant Financial previously, they're building from its infrastructure. I did a little bit of research and you could see Alchemy Pay, who they follow on Instagram, and they're currently following around, which is one of the partners already. They follow in Binance, which is a partner already. Polygon, which they just partnered already. And we got QBuy, which they listed on. Binance, we have a possible listing coming up. And now you could see Alibaba. So they're following 8 people. And most of them they're partners already with. This is just a screenshot from the app and how to pay. You could see that they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Binance USD, and XRP. But also the digital wallets are Alipay. Also with the CEO John Tan announcing that they have a partnership with someone bigger than Shopify, and Shopify's market cap is 130 billion, and John Tan said that their next partnership is going to be the biggest so far. So what is bigger than 130 billion market cap? Well, Alibaba is around 200 something billion last time I checked. So it could definitely be Alibaba. And actually Alibaba's market cap is around 440 billion. So Alchemy Pay and an Alibaba partnership can be a likely partnership coming up. Alright, so distribution of funds. 1.8 billion ACH tokens will be released at the start, and 2.5 billion will be on lockup. 5.1 billion ACH tokens will be distributed to participants through the growing network and transaction mining. 6% of the total number of tokens are perpetually locked in Alchemy Payment Network to ensure the network mobility. The actual allocation is below. 40% proportion to research and development. It's going to help develop and continue the improvement of Alchemy's core platform. 5% to security for the construction of the payment network and the security system. 10% for the policy compliance, the cost for regulatory compliance in various countries and regions. 10% for operational expenses of Alchemy, 10% for marketing for growing the influence of Alchemy's network via marketing activities for merchants and users, 25% for the Alchemy Fund, which is an investment in technical projects related to Alchemy industry to grow the Alchemy ecosystem. And also the token allocation goes a little bit more in detail of the lockup period. So 18% of the allocation is going to be going to the Alchemy Pay team. It's going to be retained capital held by the Alchemy Pay team for the ongoing development and operations of the project. It's to be released over 60 months from the date of the public launch. Now, Alchemy Pay was launched in 2018, I believe, and 5 years, which is 60 months, would be 2013. So not all the coins have been unlocked yet, so that is good. We still got a year left for anyone inside to sell, I guess you would say. There's also going to be 18% allocation towards the private placement, fundraising through marketing channels for early startup research and development, marketing and operation of the Alchemy Pay project. Now, the lockup applies for all early and short-term / long-term investors with varying periods. 5% allocation towards the ecosystem incentives, and this is for the early partners in the ecosystem, merchants and enterprise partners, trading service network partners, developer communities, CTO alliance members to incentivize contributions. Now, the lockup period on this is going to be released in stages according to the milestones of the project plan signed with each ecological partner. 2% of the allocation is going to go to consulting fees and advisors, recognition for advice and resources provided to the Alchemy project, and the lockup period on that is going to be 24 months. 6% goes to network mobility, providing liquidity support for the Alchemy node network. It's locked within the network and barred from entering exchanges, so 6% right there, it's not going to enter, it's locked up. We could forget about 6%. 40% of the allocation is going to be going to mining payments, and the mining payment is the long-term incentive for payment for the network. It's going to be unlocked in 5 years, starting from 6 months post launch of ACH. And there's also going to be an 11% allocation towards the mining financial economy, which is a long-term incentive for financial ecological network. It's going to be unlocked 5 years, starting from the 6-month post ACH launch as well. Alright, so let's put Alchemy Pay in perspective. Aave has a 4.1 billion market cap. Alchemy Pay currently only has a 330 million market cap. If Alchemy Pay had the same market cap as Aave, one Alchemy Pay coin would be worth $1.22 each. That's an upside of 12 times. Currently, Alchemy Pay, each token is worth 10 cents. Right now, Alchemy Pay is very undervalued. 330 million market cap for such a great company. They have already built a complete ecosystem, and they were launched back in 2018, and this company is only worth 330 million. It is one of the lowest market cap coins on Coinbase right now. I'm just going to go over what I think Alchemy Pay would be worth in the long term. I'm not really thinking about the short term. So Alchemy Pay right now is just hovering below 10 cents, and our market cap, like I said, is about 330 million. If we get to 1 billion market cap, we'll be at about 30 cents. If we get to a 2 billion market cap, we'll be at 60 cents. 3 billion market cap, 90 cents. And 4 billion market cap, about $1.20. So if you ask me what are my price predictions and what do I think it's going to be by the end of the year, well, just depends when the news is announced and when everything is implemented. After everything is implemented, I definitely see Alchemy Pay hitting 40-50 cents with ease, maybe by the end of this year. If not, definitely within a couple months once everything rolls out. So that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you learned anything new in the video, please hit the like button. We really appreciate that. If you aren't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. We release multiple videos every week, so if you don't want to miss them, hit the notification bell and you'll get notified when they come out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it down below. Me or Ty will get back to you as soon as possible, and have a good day. See you again.